Okay, Doy. Ready na ba ka, Doy?
Ready?
Okay, so asa nimo ni i-dedicate ni imong kanta ron, Doy? Sa uyab ug sa asa man nimo ni i-dedicate ni imong kanta karon? Ha?
No one.
Ha?
Working power.
I-dedicate nimo ni sa kisa tong imong classmate. Ha? So unsa may title sa imong kanta ron?
Be My Lady.
Okay. Alright.
Martin Rivera.
Okay, Doy. Patukar na yun ng Be My Lady, Doy.
Yeah.
Okay. Small brother, ready. Okay.
Nice one. Be my lady.
Okay.
Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly, I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want
Liwat ginisamahan, no?
how I need you. So please be my lady.
Okay.
Maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. You're the one that I adore, so please believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charms. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are mine, be my lady.
Alright.
Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me night and day through the rest of your life, just like the work of art. My love will last until forever. Just like the work of art, my love will last forever.
Okay. Masipang pakpak.